Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to make use of an ellipse to draw a map of Nigeria to get something like this. So let's get started. Select the ellipse tool and draw an ellipse like this. Then use this midpoint node. Click and second click and hold, then drag in by holding on the shift button. Press the right click button to duplicate the ellipse. Use the smart fill button to add color to the enclosed region. To fill it by clicking on the enclosed region. Add actual color to the three regions, that's green, white, green. Click on the individual object to remove the outline by right-clicking on this button, that's the Unfill button. There is an ellipse on the first layer. Copy it and paste it on its layer. This is the ellipse. Then powerclip the copied ellipse into the object on layer 1. Edit the powerclip and add drop shadow. Set it to outside by using the button up here. Adjust it and finish edit the powerclip. As you can see, we have the drop shadow on the flag. Perfect. Now let's add the text Nigeria. Select text tool using F8 and type in the text Nigeria. Choose any font style. Align the text with the ellipse object. Adding effect to the text to wrap it up to the ellipse. Select the envelope option in the effect tab up here. Then click on the ellipse with an empty property and draw a round curve shape like this. Copy the same shape and make it parallel to each other. Click and hold on Shift to select the two shapes and then use the align center with the ellipse by pressing C. That's after selecting all the objects. Using the smart fill to get the curved round shape. Change view to wireframe up here. And then use the smart fill tool to fill out the region as needed. Now click on the text to add envelope from an object. Click this button here and then point to the shape to take its form. As you can see, the text Nigeria have the curved round form. You need to align the text to the ellipse, but before then, let's locate the drop shadow from the down layer. Select the objects on top layers, hold shift and click multiple objects and press shift plus down page button. The drop shadow ellipse will appear. To align the text, use the shift button plus click the text and the objects together. Click on the text and use the shift plus up page button to keep the text on top layer. And that is all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In case of any question, kindly drop it in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to give me a super thanks too. The button is down below. Peace.